Our biggest new feature of the 1.6 release is called QromaScan Import. As you know, you can tag any photo you've scanned with QromaScan using our unique voice recognition system. Now you can bring in untagged images into QromaScan and tag them quickly with the tools you're already used to. QromaScan Import can help you create searchable, industry-standard metadata for any image you have. We've built some powerful batch editing features into the import function, and I think it's the easiest way to tag a photo. Let me show you how it works. QromaScan Import is implemented as a one-time in-app purchase. To unlock this feature, tap on the Purchase button and you will be asked by the App Store for your password to complete the purchase. Once purchased, you can unlock it on any device sharing your Apple ID by tapping on the Restore Purchase button. So here are some untagged photos that I found. Some of them have been downloaded from Facebook or other places on the internet. They all have different file names, and if I look at them in my image viewer, I can see that there really aren't any usable metadata tags in them. Getting these images into QromaScan is easy. Starting with version 1.6, the QromaScan app creates a folder called Import in your QromaScan iCloud Drive folder. To get these images into QromaScan, I'm just going to drag select them and then hit Command-C to copy them. Then I'm going to navigate over to my QromaScan iCloud Drive folder and then open the Import folder. From there, I just type in Command-V to paste them into the import directory. This action will make a copy of these images and leave the originals in place. It's always best to do it this way, and after my images are properly tagged, I can safely delete the originals if I want. Once the images have been dropped into the import directory, give it about a minute or so to get up to iCloud. Then after that's done, tap on the Import button and you should see all those images in the QromaScan app. There are two ways to tag images with the import feature. The first way is to make a batch selection. I'm just going to tap on the batch button and then I'll see batch selector icons. I just need to tap on the images that I want to add to my batch and then I'll see an indicator down at the bottom showing me how many images I've selected. When I'm ready to tag, I just tap on the tag icon down at the bottom. In the tagging screen, I can swipe left and right to see the 3 images that I've selected. These happen to be images of the magnificent California Theater in downtown San Jose. It just so happens that I have this exact location stored in my QLock settings. So on this screen, I just need to tap the image for a second or two and then release to see my QLock overlay. Now I'm going to tap on the pink bar to give the date I want to tag these images with. June 8th, 2015. Great. Next, I'm going to give the QLock location so I can tag this location precisely. Location 4. Lastly, I'm going to tap onto the green chevron down at the bottom to apply the tags to my images. Now, since I'm using batch selection mode, you get this extra confirmation dialog showing that you're going to tag all 3 images at once. That's it. The images are now tagged. Now, when I go back to the import dialog, these images are gone because they've graduated and gone to the gallery. The tagged images have been uploaded to my Mac as well, and I can open them up to see the metadata I've just created. Everything looks spot on, and I've got the date and the exact locations applied to these images. Back to my iPad, let's look at a second way to tag images. I can tap straight onto an image and go right to the tagging screen. From there, I can add metadata just the same way that I do when I'm scanning images. Here's a photo of my daughter Lucia on a recent trip to New York. In this case, I don't have the exact location in my QLock file, but this is the MoMA, and I don't think that we're going to have trouble finding it using our location engine. In this case, I'm going to give the date and location together. April 15th, 2016, Museum of Modern Art, New York, New York. Lucia Knight. There we go. Now I'm going to tap onto the green chevron to tag this image. It turns out that I have another image taken in the same place with Lucia, so while I have the metadata already set up, I'll just slide over and tag it as well. Just another tap on the green chevron and I'm done. Here's another image in New York, but it's a day earlier. Since my date and location are different, I'm just going to single tap on the place date bar just to clear it and add a new tag. April 14th, 2016, Liberty Island, New York, New York. That looks great. I'm just going to tap on the green chevron to tag it. Finally, here's little Lulu showing me the size of the very first subway rat she's ever seen. April 14th, 2016, 135th Street Station, New York, New York. Again, I'll tap on the green chevron when I'm done. That's it. All my images are now in the gallery, and I'm just going to hop over to my Mac to see the tags that I've just written out. Here's the Statue of Liberty image, and it's tagged right to Liberty Island. My other images came on spot on as well, including my other tags. So that's QromaScan Import, and I think it's going to make tagging images that you've got sitting around your computer much easier.